This is a neat deal here. This is made by American Chain Company. They're your stretchers, woven wire stretchers. You got two of them. There's one chain there. You can see where it fits in here. And then these stretchers are neat too. You got two sizes. You got one for your hog pen, which will be, well, there's that there's 50 inches. This one here is 60 inches, different size wire. Okay. You don't need to put bolts to it. Right here, they just clamp up. Put your wire in there, clamp it. This one here, you bolt it together. Okay? This one bolts together. This just clamps it right like that. You don't need any bolts. You got two different stretchers. You got the names on them. You get 5 pieces, $1 money.